Hey there, Audi enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the future of automotive excellence with the highly anticipated 2025 Audi Q3. As Audi's compact SUV gears up for a groundbreaking redesign, we're here to unveil all the thrilling details. From its sleek aesthetics to its cutting-edge technology and performance enhancements, join us as we explore what sets the 2025 Audi Q3 apart from its predecessors and competitors. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of luxury SUVs. Buckle up and join us as we delve into the evolution of Audi's iconic Q3 model. Let's dive in. Changes in interior of 2025 Audi Q3. The interior of the 2025 Audi Q3 undergoes a significant transformation, showcasing Audi's commitment to luxury and innovation. Expect a modern and sophisticated cabin adorned with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The cockpit is likely to feature a sleek and minimalist design, with a focus on driver-centric controls and ergonomic comfort. Audi's renowned virtual cockpit may receive upgrades, offering customizable digital displays for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information. Enhanced connectivity features, including wireless smartphone integration and advanced voice recognition, will ensure seamless integration of devices. Comfort and convenience are paramount, with premium amenities such as heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof available in higher trim levels. With these interior enhancements, the 2025 Audi Q3 promises to provide a luxurious and immersive driving experience for both driver and passengers. Changes in exterior of 2025 Audi Q3. The exterior of the 2025 Audi Q3 is poised to undergo a sleek and modern redesign, blending elegance with dynamic styling cues. Anticipate a refreshed front fascia featuring Audi's signature single-frame grille, now more prominent and intricately styled to exude sophistication. Slimmer LED headlights with intricate detailing are expected to flank the grille, providing a sharper and more aggressive look. The overall silhouette may remain familiar, but with subtle refinements to the body lines and proportions, resulting in a more aerodynamic and athletic appearance. Expect sculpted side panels and a sloping roofline to enhance the Q3's sporty profile, while larger alloy wheels add to its commanding presence on the road. With these exterior updates, the 2025 Audi Q3 is set to turn heads and make a bold statement in the competitive compact SUV segment. Engine and performance of 2025 Audi Q3. In terms of engine and performance, the 2025 Audi Q3 is expected to offer a range of refined powertrains to cater to diverse driving preferences. Audi may introduce a selection of efficient yet potent turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, delivering improved fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Additionally, advancements in hybrid or electrified powertrains provide enhanced power output and reduced emissions, aligning with Audi's commitment to sustainability. Anticipate responsive handling and agility thanks to refined suspension systems and updated chassis technology, ensuring a dynamic driving experience tailored to modern expectations of luxury SUVs. Overall, the 2025 Audi Q3 is poised to deliver a compelling blend of power, efficiency, and driving dynamics. Price and release date of 2025 Audi Q3. The pricing and release date for the 2025 Audi Q3 are yet to be officially announced by Audi. However, based on previous models and industry trends, we can anticipate the new Audi Q3 to be competitively priced within the compact luxury SUV segment. Pricing may vary depending on trim levels, optional features, and regional markets. As for the release date, Audi typically unveils new models towards the end of the preceding year or at major automotive events. Therefore, we can expect the 2025 Audi Q3 to be revealed and available for purchase sometime in late 2024 or early 2025, subject to Audi's official confirmation. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future of automotive excellence with the 2025 Audi Q3. With its stunning redesign, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and enhanced performance, the Audi Q3 is set to redefine the compact SUV segment. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as we continue to explore the latest innovations in the automotive world. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest news and reviews on all things Audi and beyond. Until next time, happy driving.